Wow, you guys are looking so good. You guys are so photogenic. Gonna show off, so look on pose. Even you guys, everybody's a show off, so no. You know, so too show off though. Wow, look on the pose there. No, sir. Even you guys, you lettuce, the same ones I was saying, you know, you guys are too delicate to be transplanted. I want to make show off, so. Oh my. Wow. Look at this pose. No, no must stop it. Even you guys. Wow, everybody's just standing tall. Everybody want pose, so. Alright, no problem. Y'all can pose. Because guess what? You all are looking good. Even you guys want a piece of the action? Everybody's just showing off. It's alright. Go and show off. Wow. Have a right for a show off. Looking lovely. Looking lovely. You want a piece of the action too? But look for Uno. Look for Uno show off too. Yeah, I couldn't leave you guys out. Wow. Yeah, Uno know for pose. Yep. Looking lovely. Yeah. You're photogenic. You guys are photogenic. You guys are so beautiful. You know what? Now I'm going to take photos. Now I'm going to pose and take photos too. I'm not Uno alone. Not Uno alone. Bye.